Do you want to make short-form videos that actually pop? The kind that stop people from scrolling, even if you have never edited a video in your life. I found an insanely easy tool that turns long videos into ready-to-post short clips in just minutes, and creators with huge followings swear by it. If you have noticed, top creators often use the same kinds of caption styles, punchy sounds, and quick zooms. That is because those micro effects keep people watching longer. Longer watch time equals more distribution and more views, which is really just simple math. So whether you have got long-form content you want to repurpose, or you just want to pump out bite-sized clips without learning professional software, stick with me because I am going to walk you through exactly how to do it fast. The first thing I do is upload my long video, and you can just drag and drop or import from your cloud drives. The first feature I usually hit is auto-captions, because the system will transcribe your video automatically while supporting tons of different languages. If you have got multiple people talking, just turn on the multi-speaker option so it separates the voices for you. Once the file is in, the AI gets to work and starts highlighting the important phrases, suggesting emojis, and adding motion to the captions. It even recommends the best moments in the video for short-form clips, annotating the timeline with likely viral segments like punchlines or key takeaways. Next up are the styles, which is where you get consistent branding without doing manual design every single time. You can pick a style that feels right, or customize your own template and save it as the default look. Now, the captions are auto-created, but do not skip editing them, because you should always scan for errors and fix any misheard words. You can add micro animations to any word, like attaching a specific sound effect, which really helps with viewer retention. Styling is incredibly flexible, allowing you to remove or add shadows, tweak stroke thickness, or resize the text to fit better on mobile screens. B-roll is another total lifesaver, and instead of spending hours hunting for clips, you can just use the automatic B-roll feature. The software analyzes your transcript and suggests footage that matches your talking points, inserting it right into the timeline where it fits perfectly. There are also automatic zooms and subtle motion effects that make static footage feel dynamic without those awkward, jarring jump cuts. Back to captions for a second, you can anchor sounds and animated emojis to words so they pop exactly when you say them. Once you have polished the clip, the platform does the heavy lifting on the export side, allowing for mobile-optimized vertical or full-res 4K files. But here is where this tool really pulls ahead of others. It does not just create clips, it actually helps you publish them consistently. The auto-schedule feature lets you set how often you want posts to go out, and the AI will automatically fill your calendar with optimized times. The content calendar is a straightforward view where you can see scheduled clips, make edits, and publish directly to platforms from one place. This is a total game changer if you are juggling a backlog of episodes or interviews, because everything is organized without hopping between apps. The software blends the three things creators actually need: smart clip selection, automated scheduling, and a centralized calendar, without forcing you into a costly enterprise plan. One real-world flow is to upload a long podcast episode, hit generate, and produce multiple highlight reels in one sitting. A few tips as you use it. Always skim the AI's captioning for errors, because while it is fast, context mistakes can happen. Use the style presets to keep a consistent look across all your posts, as that helps your channel feel cohesive to your audience. Also, do not forget translations, because if you want to reach a different audience, you can translate key clips and stagger them across your schedule. The software handles all those aspect ratio conversions, which saves you another tedious step that most other editors force you to manage manually. If you want to try it yourself, there is a link in the description where you can test it on your own videos right now. It is honestly crazy how much momentum you can build when the production bottleneck simply disappears. Alright, that is it for now, so I am going to keep using this tool to turn my long videos into short-form posts, and I hope it helps you too.